Well, after a brisk mile-and-a-half walk, we have made it to SeaWorld Orlando. Inside the park, we got a lot of fun things to do, shows, roller coasters. The park is celebrating 60 years of SeaWorld. I've been here a couple times before, but it's been a very long time. I came here when I was a child. It is a much different park today than it was when I was a kid. Now, my daughter and I are on a roller coaster tour. There are 8 different roller coasters here to check out. We've got Mako, Kraken, Manta, Journey to Atlantis. Penguin Trek is here, but it's coming soon, opening sometime this year, 2024. Pipeline, the surf coaster, that opened up last year. Icebreaker and Super Grover Box Car Derby. Look at this, here comes one of our roller coasters. Look at what they got over here, one of my favorite creatures in the world, and I'm so disappointed I'm not wearing one of my special shirts today. Hey guys, I'm home. Flamingos. Hello, flamingo friends. Awesome. I want to take one of you guys home. You guys look so freaking cool. Bye, flamingo friends. We will see you later. Oh, look at the squirrels are playing. Uh-oh. They're doing some other inappropriate things. What are you guys doing? Chip, Dale, calm down. It's a family park. That was one of many shows here at SeaWorld. I believe it was called Dolphin Adventures. Very neat. Amazing how they train those dolphins. They're better trained than my dog. There's many other shows here. We also got to do some rides. So let's do some rides next. Here is our first ride, Manta, a flying coaster. Well, here is our first ride, Manta. Super excited to do this flying coaster. And I got a brand new accessory. Hopefully they'll let me use this. I'm pretty sure they allow this.
No, we have a phone.
I gotta say, I love this new strap, this hand wrist strap. It's pretty cool. It worked really well. Hopefully the footage comes out really awesome, but fun ride. You know what they say, you will get wet. Up next, Journey to Atlantis, built in 1998 by Mock Rides. Total height 100 feet. This is a hybrid, part roller coaster, part log flume. I love this one. Went from a water coaster, from a log flume to a roller coaster. That was fun. That was really fun. The words I was looking for at the very beginning was water coaster. That's what I call this, a water coaster. Did get a little wet, but not too terrible. That was I consider that a coaster. So that was our third coaster of the trip. Second one here at SeaWorld. Many more to go. One of the things that I think is really cool about Journey of Atlantis is not only is it that hybrid log flume roller coaster, but there's so much hidden behind the building that there's like surprises around the corner, and that's what's amazing about that ride. It's just totally different than anything else that I can think of in Orlando. Here is my story for you. So I was here, man, it's gotta be almost 18 years ago at this point. Somewhere around there, I don't know exactly what it was, but it was a long time ago. And went on Kraken with my daughter's mom. It was overcast. We got on the ride and it started pouring rain. Not only was it pelting me and it hurt, they stopped the ride mid-ride and kept us up there at least 10 or 15 minutes. Got off the ride, absolutely soaking wet, drenched. And at the end, we got free SeaWorld towels, free photos, but we were soaked. You know, you laugh about it, you know, because that's all you can do. But it was an awesome, fun memory that I'll never forget. Hopefully, it doesn't happen today. That's where we got stuck.
Inside the station. Unfasten your seatbelt and wait for instructions from the attendant.
3 down here at SeaWorld. Oh boy, Kraken, that was fun. Haven't been on that in a long time. That opened up back in 2000. Max speed 65 miles per hour. That is actually Orlando's only floorless roller coaster. And what I mean by that is the floor drops out from beneath you when after you get on the coaster and board the ride. Lunchtime here at SeaWorld, and they got something special going on. That is the Seven Seas Food Festival. Definitely excited to check it out. You could buy like a little punch card, and you could get either 10 items or 15 items. So I think we're gonna do this. So here are the cards. You get 15 punches for $85, or you could get 10 punches for $70. I think if you're a member, you get a couple extra punches as a season pass holder, which we are not. Got our punch card. I'm not going to tell you what happened, but I got I got 18 punches, so that's good. 9 and 9, so we each get 9 items. Looks like we're coming up on our first one here, the French market. See if there's anything good here. Ew, escargot. We'll skip that, but they have creme brulee. That sounds good. All American, and they got some good options over here, including lobster, macaroni cheese, and fried pickles. The Polynesian market seems like it's closed, but here are their offerings as well. Here is the North Atlantic market. This one had a pretty good menu here. I saw they have a lobster roll. You can also pay as you go if you'd like to. If you want to do just the lobster roll, $12.99. Looks rather small. Fish and chips, and they also have a Boston cheesecake. All right, we got the lobster roll. Thank you very much. Look at that, yummy. Oh God, that's embarrassing.
Oh my.
Oh, sorry,
I
dude.
think you could have gotten a lobster roll for free. Watch this.
See if it's any good. Mmm. It's so cold. Of course, I am Italian. You got to go to the Italian market, and my daughter is going to get a mini calzone. So mini calzone is going to be going in the oven, nice and fresh. There they are, fresh out of the oven. Here is the next booth, the Irish market. Let's see what's at the Irish market. Or St. Patrick's Day just passed. Bangers and mash. I don't know what that is. Jameson donut. Okay, so nothing we're interested in here. Not for my particular taste. But there is more. There's another one right over here. There is the Mediterranean market, and I was looking forward to this one because look what they got. They got all this stuff I love. Lakava, walking gyros, lamb. These guys got the good stuff. All right, here are the lamb chops. Wow, man, you made them look good. Is that tzatziki sauce? And I'm guessing that's some kind of potato. That is beautiful. This is amazing. Wasn't expecting to get 2 lamb chops. Look at this. This is a whole meal for me. I don't eat a lot. This is amazing. But how does it taste? Mmm, delicious.